Jessica. Welcome to my slime video today. We need glue. What is this? We need glue. What is this, Mommy?
Contact solution.
Contact solution, shaving cream, food coloring, a bowl container. One glue. Dump it. Squeeze it. Dump, squeeze it. Squish that off. Mommy, when it stops, tell me, okay? So I can stop squeezing it. Because it's so much. So much. Okay, Mommy, it's done.
We need another one.
Okay. And then it got all.
Alright, dump it.
I can dump it. Okay, Mommy, it's all.
Red. Food coloring.
On that shade. Oh my gosh.
Mix it up.
Okay, I'm mixing it. Mixing. Oh. My hands are all shaved now. My hands are all shaved now. They're all shaved. If we just use the spoon, my hands will be all shaved. Get that right in there.
Keep mixing it.
Oh my god. It's turning pink. It's turning pink, Mommy, not even red.
Wanna put some more?
Yeah. Mixing. Now it's more wetter. And they mixed it, the yellow one. Oh my gosh, nice and not slimy. It's cold. Oh, Phoenix slime right now. Oh my god. Mommy, some of it is slime. I don't know. I think some of it. Oh my gosh. It's getting cold. Is slime supposed to be cold? Huh? And it stretches like slime, Mommy. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Mommy, look how it's stretching. So stretchy. I'm going to show the kids how it stretches.
Okay, show them.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Oh. Mommy, how about you should put your hands in there? Oh my gosh. It's stretchy. I'm stretching it right now, Mommy. Why? Gosh. Oh my gosh. So slimy. It's, oh my god, Mommy, it's sticking to my hand. Hi, kids. Whoa, look at this, Mommy.